Hello. So in this module, we take a look at series and parallel combination of the resistor. So right here in this picture, you see that the resistor R1, R2 up to Rn are all connected in series. So their equivalent resistance is given by this equation. Very simple. So R equivalent will be R1 plus R2 plus R3, R4, and so on up to Rn, which is this resistor. So you can connect n number of resistors, and equivalent resistors, equivalent resistance would be sum of the individual resistance. So imagine you have resistor R1 is equal to R2 and is equal to R3, and there are suppose three resistors, and each of these that is equal to 1 kilo ohm. 1 kilo ohm. So the R equivalent according to this equation would be the sum of R1 plus R2 plus R3, and that is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 kilo ohm each, and that is equals to 3 kilo ohm. So you have n number of resistors, sum them all to get the series combination. On the other hand, you have the parallel combination of resistor. For example, R1, R2, and you can connect up to n number of resistor, but they are all connected in parallel. It means the two ends of these resistors are connected to each other as opposed to the series combination here. So in such case, how do you write the equation to calculate the equivalent resistance is right here. So what you do here, you take a reciprocal of R equivalent. R equivalent is the equivalent resistance. Take a reciprocal of it and you equate it to the reciprocal sum of the reciprocal resistances. That is 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3 up to 1 over R1. So imagine you have R1 that is equal to 1 kilo ohm. You have R2 that is also equal to 1 kilo ohm, and you have R3 that is equal to 1 kilo ohm. So you want to know what is going to be the R equivalent of this. So you just apply this equation. It would be R equivalent. So I take the 1 over 1 kilo ohm, that is R1, plus 1 over again 1 kilo ohm, and that is 1 over 1 kilo ohm. So that comes out to be, you can calculate how much it comes out to be. We'll see that how it comes out to be. So it is equal to 3 kilo ohm, and therefore R equivalent would be reciprocal of this value, which is about 1 over 3 kilo ohm. Okay, and that comes about to be approximately 0.33 kilo ohm. So accordingly, you can calculate values of resistances connected in parallel. So remember R1, R2, they can have any values. Again, here also R1 and R2, they can have any values. And accordingly, you can calculate the series and parallel combination of resistances.